Mastering the Forehand Drive in Tennis, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase from the world of sports: forehand drive. This term is commonly used in tennis, and understanding its meaning can add a fun dimension to your English vocabulary, especially if you're a sports enthusiast. The forehand drive is a fundamental stroke in tennis. It's executed by swinging the racket across the body with the hand that is dominant. For example, a right-handed player uses their right hand. This shot is used to hit the ball on the forehand side of the body, which is the natural side for most players. It's a powerful and versatile shot, used both for attacking and for defensive plays. Understanding the mechanics of a forehand drive is crucial. It involves several steps. 1. Positioning and stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, facing the net. 2. Grip and racket preparation. Hold the racket with a firm grip and prepare to swing. 3. Backswing. Rotate your torso while bringing the racket back. 4. Point of contact. Strike the ball when it's in front of you, transferring your body weight forward. 5. Follow through. Continue the racket's motion after hitting the ball, following through towards your target. In English, forehand drive can be used in various contexts. Describing a tennis match, Roger Federer won the point with a powerful forehand drive. In tennis training, today, we'll focus on improving your forehand drive. In general conversation, her approach to problems is like a forehand drive, direct and powerful. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, forehand drive, and adds a new term to your English vocabulary. Whether you're discussing tennis, sports in general, or just using it as a metaphor in everyday conversation, this term is both useful and interesting. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.